Hey, hi. So today I'll tell you how to scan documents from your phone using an app. So what app I use usually is go to your app store or Play Store, whichever you have. Type in CamScanner. So this is the app you're supposed to look for, CamScanner. If you want, you can also watch the video that they provide. How do you take pictures and change the mode, brightness, and all of that. If you click on that, you can see 100 plus million people download this app. As you can see, it's automatically select. Once you take the shot, it's automatically select the area that you're looking for. It's like it's a better way of taking or scanning any files. So I'm gonna show you right now how to do that. In order to do that, so I'm gonna go to my CamScanning app right here, and for example I will show you how to take a shot. This you have to allow it, and for this one, screen it, and as I said before, it's gonna automatically select the area that you want. So you can also rotate to right, rotate to left, and whichever way you prefer, and hit next on the lower bottom and the arrow you see next. Hit next, it automatically scan for you. So you have many different options to choose from. No shadow, you can put no shadow so you can see it more clear way possible. The original one it just took right now. Lighten, I prefer this one. This is really good. Magic color is it comes really good. So if you rock with the image quality, hit sign, and that's it. That's what it is. And if you want to send it to someone via PDF file, you can do that, or you can save it to your gallery. So you can save it to your gallery so it immediately save for you, then you can send it to someone if you want to, or you can do it directly from here, share PDF, and you can go through. So they will give you a watermark on the bottom. It shows you like, okay, you were using CamScanner app for scanning this product or whatever it is, and you can share through your any social media like WhatsApp, Gmail account, AOL, or whatever you use at this point. So that's it. And if you enjoy the video, please give thumbs up and see you in the next video.